Hello and welcome to India Drone Academy. Here, we propose the establishment of a drone center of excellence within a college, university, and training institutions. The center aims to lead research, development, and training in drone technology and its applications across various sectors, including agriculture, survey, inspection, monitoring, and emergency response. The proposed Center of Excellence has several objectives. Firstly, it aims to equip the students and professionals with advanced UAV piloting skills, drone data processing, and maintenance skills. Secondly, it seeks to nurture innovation. And finally, it encourages the creation of drone-based startups. The curriculum is designed to cover a wide range of topics, from basic flight operations to advanced aerial survey techniques. It offers certification courses, workshops, and seminars to further enhance the skills of the participants. The Center of Excellence acts as an incubator for drone-based startups by providing access to technology, mentorship, and networking opportunities. The center will be equipped with the state-of-the-art drones, sensors, simulation software, development kits, and additional equipment to support a comprehensive training curriculum. Looking forward to welcoming you to the India Drone Academy. Thank you.